How to create Investors Bank online account. So if you want to create Investors Bank online account, then first of all you have to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now in the search bar you have to search for Investors Bank login, and after searching, here you will have login Investors Bank. Click on that and you can log in from here, but if you want to create an account, then you can go to register instead, which is here. Simply click on that. So it says that email address is required, so click on OK, and then you have to enter your email address and then click on register instead. And now this is the registration page. So if you want to register, then simply first enter your display name, and after entering your name you have to enter your email address, but you have already entered it just before, so you have to enter your password here. And after creating your password, you have to again verify your password. You have to retype your password, so make sure your password more than 8 characters. And after entering your password, you can click on create account. And now you have to answer some questions. So what is your favorite sports team nickname, and what is your favorite pastime, and what is your maternal grandmother's maiden name? You have to enter these security questions, and then you have to click on continue. So you have to set these security questions. You have to create your own answers, so that if you forgot your password, then you will be asked these security questions, and then after entering this security questions you will be logged in case you forgot your password. And after clicking on continue, your account has been created. So from here you can edit your account, and you can also view your applications, messages or documents. So that's it. That's how you create Investors Bank online account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.